Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So there are some walk-in interviews, my dear friends, from multiple companies. So let us see the complete details in this video. First of all, walk-in interviews from formulation R&D. So the venue is Hetero Labs Units 7. So Phase 3 IDA GD Metla Hyderabad. The department is FR&D Injectables. The qualification is M-Pharm Pharmaceutics. 1 to 5 years of experience in formulation product development. And the next is FR&D Oral Solid Dosage Form M-Pharm Pharmaceutics. 1 to 5 years in formulation product development, and the department is AR&D injectables, M-Pharm analysis or MSc analytical chemistry. 1 to 5 years analytical method development, handling of HPLC, GC, UV, IR, KF resolution. So likewise vacancies are there from Hetero, so please utilize it on 30th September. So next is a walk-in interviews for women candidates on 1st October. Amneal head office, ITA, all trade, BSc, BBA, BCom, diploma, MSc or BPharm. So the salaries are also mentioned here. So these are the vacancies. So let us see the next vacancy. So coming to the vacancy from Indoco, these are the walk-in interviews for their OSD manufacturing facilities in Goa, Plant 1 and Plant 2, Department Production, QA, QC and Quality Control Microbiology. Date of walk-in is 1st October, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Venue Woodlands Hotel, and contact details numbers are provided here. Freshers can mail their CV to the above mentioned mail ID if interested. Coming to the next vacancy, so let us see the details of the next vacancy on 3rd October. The walk-in interview. See, the roles are for CIPLA, Senior Scientific Business Manager, Hospital Business Manager, Regional Business Manager. So these are the details. Interested candidates can share your profile to the following, CV to the following mail ID. The job location is Chennai. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Pharma Job Alert.